Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Prepare your recycled materials. Bye, 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 bye. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Please sit down. Thank you, teacher. You're welcome. Prepare your recycled materials. We will check your recycled materials today.
Yeah. I use a box to make.
Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Okay, please sit down. You're welcome. Okay, present your recycled material.
Green yellow
And tissue paper.
are made for tissue paper and
Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Okay, today you are going to present your recycled materials. Kindly prepare that one.
My ice cream.
Open that one.
You sure?
Yes.
I make from
Everybody stand up. Goodbye and thank you, class.